Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be tackling some of Dollar Tree's newest items to tidy up and just give our home a little bit more space by organizing using Dollar Tree's newest items. So we're gonna jump in nice and easy. The first thing that I seen that was new at Dollar Tree, well, to me, are these little baskets. They are 3 to a pack, and they do have purple, blue, and a sage green color. You guys know I'm gonna go for the green one because green is my favorite color, but they do have 3 colors, so you can choose the one that really suits you for your home. I was thinking that these are absolutely adorable for a little desk organization space, or just a little area in your home that you might want to put together to put some of your important things that you need for every day. So you can see how nice they align together. They look really pretty on the desk here that I have, but of course, again, you can decorate this on any little side table or desk that you have. If you have a home office or your little craft room, this would be absolutely amazing to have. And you can see everything just looks nice and organized, and these are spacious little baskets, so a lot of stuff fits in here. You can see I have a little notepad, some tape, batteries, chargers, pens, markers, you name it, you can put it in here to organize your area. Feel free to place whatever you need for your everyday essentials. If you haven't been to Dollar Tree in a little while, they are bringing out their summer collection, and I absolutely fell in love with all of this summer decor. This, once again, this sage green color. Their little sea turtles are super cute. They have the whole collection: little cups, tumblers, plates, bowls, margarita glasses. These colors, this color for the margarita glass and these short glasses, even the tall glasses, are so cute. And keep in mind, they are not glass, so if you do prefer that, that is great. They won't shatter or anything like that. They are made of plastic, but they look like glass and they look absolutely beautiful. They also have this aqua blue color, and they also have this watermelon themed color as well. These are very, very pretty, and I love them for this summer. In case you haven't seen this yet, they are starting to put it out, so if you want to pick some of this stuff up, you would have to go soon. But Dollar Tree is also carrying these I love you little templates where you could place a picture on the background. You can remove it right there with some little glitter inside. These are perfect for Mother's Day coming up, so I just wanted to show you that as well, for if you are thinking of a Mother's Day gift. Those are absolutely wonderful. And I also came across these are magnetic photo frames. They are super cute. I love that they are really nice and sleek, and it doesn't have a border or anything, and they are magnetic, so you can place them on your fridge for some nice little photos. You can make even a collage of photos on your fridge, which is awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this on my fridge, place a picture of my daughter inside, and I really, really love how it looks. It's sort of like the one up there where she's holding the little gator, and it's super easy to take in and out a photo. To switch it from time to time, you just push it a little bit outward from the top and pull out that paper or picture, and you can place down whatever you like inside, and you can see just how beautiful the pictures look inside of here. And I really, really love these. I'm gonna have to pick up some more to make a little collage on the fridge, because I ended up loving them more than I expected. They look super cute and nice, and these would make really nice gifts as well for Mother's Day. If you have a Cricut or something, you can place down wording on the bottom and gift it to your mom, which would be a really lovely gift. Here is another new item at Dollar Tree. These really cute cups or tumblers, little tumblers that I found, drinking cups. They are super cute. They look like little soda cans, and they have different colors. I really love the purple one, but they have purple, blue, and pink, and these are super cute. You have to let me know if you've seen these yet. I want to thank today's partner, EPI Jewelry or Epi Jewelry, for partnering with me for today's video. You're not going to want to skip this, my friend, because they have some amazing, really beautiful and affordable jewelry that anyone in your life will be sure to love as a gift, or even to treat yourself and get it for yourself. This is the ring that they sent me, and look how beautiful and stunning this piece is. Each piece is crafted to celebrate your love, your journey, and the treasured moments that you have. Like I said, if you want to gift these to your mom, they do have some discounts going on right now for Mother's Day, so you are going to want to check them out as quick as possible so you can get those shipped to mom, on time. And you also are going to get a discount code using my code, so all of that information will be in the description box below. But my friend, they have literally everything. They have wedding bands, engagement rings, they have necklaces, bracelets, they have earrings, they have ring sets. So they have everything that you are looking for. And of course, depending on the finish that you would like and how many diamonds and stuff like that, the price will vary, but you are sure to get a discount code when you check out the description box, because you are going to love their jewelry, my friend. Trust me, I absolutely fell in love with this piece, and I'm sure you would too. And with that said, my friend, let's move on to the next organization hack. Dollar Tree has out now these reusable crayon boxes. Well, more durable, I should say, crayon boxes, because the crayon boxes that we usually get for our kids or for ourselves for when we are doing arts and crafts, those boxes are legit trash, and they just literally fall apart and stuff like that. So these boxes are amazing for that, and I really love these because you can see here I have the 64 pack of crayons, and you just tilt it over and they just fall all out. The top doesn't stay put or anything like that. If you know, so these boxes are great for that. And being that this one comes with inner boxes to hold the crayons, I'm gonna use those boxes and place those inside of the harder crayon boxes from Dollar Tree. I just thought to place it in like this, so that way the crayons don't really stain and dirty up the boxes too much. But you can place them directly inside if you would like to. But I really love this. It's super cute and really nice find for organizing your craft stuff, your art supplies, or even your kids' book bag. My friend, if you are enjoying today's video and you have enjoyed, please do give this video a big thumbs up, because it really does help me reach new viewers and it is highly appreciated. And do consider hitting that subscribe button so you can be a part of my YouTube family and never miss a video. And it is time for our secret word of the day. For today, it's going to be shine, for that beautiful ring that I just showed you. So comment down shine in the comments below, and I will know that you made it this far into my video, which is again highly appreciated. I thank you very much for sticking around to the end, and I will see you all on my next video, my friend. I upload every week, either Sunday or Monday, usually Sundays more, but sometimes it is on a Monday. So if you don't see it Sunday, you will see it the next day. And I hope you all have a great and blessed Sunday. So I will see you on my next video. Take care and God bless.